Yo, what's going on, everybody? Cuffing the Dip coming at you guys with another one, guys. Hopefully everybody's feeling okay out there, guys. The market has been a little bit wishy-washy, but hopefully it hasn't affected anybody too much out there. I just recently came up from that game show that Alpha Male ends up doing, man. It was fun. Burn and his squad of goons there cheated a bit, but it's okay. T-High was out there cheating. Who else was over there cheating? Texas Tornado, he was over there cheating. There was a bunch of people over there cheating pretty much. I don't know Vera, but she was cheating too. She was really nice though, but she was cheating. She was definitely cheating though. What's going on, Eddie T? Yo, what's going on, man? How you feeling today, man? What's up? Let's Grove. Got Corey in the building. What's going on, Corey, man? What's up, man? How you feeling, man? What's going on? Sorry about the late start, guys. Like I said, was kicking it over there at Alpha Male channel and trying to gain some knowledge, I guess you guys can say. Also in the process of that, definitely was learning some different things over there that I probably didn't know or did know. I did know a couple of the questions, and especially the ending question that would have won the whole game, which is why they cheated. But you know, it'd be like that sometimes, y'all. So if you pay attention to the charts though, it looked like it's cheating on this a little bit also. It was at about I won't say BTC. Bitcoin was at about 18K, high 18K earlier. Now it's at 20K, so it did bounce back up. Definitely. As a matter of fact, I can pull it up on this one. So definitely interesting. Went down, like I said, to high 18K or so. Bounced back up. Now it's at this range again, kind of trading sideways, but it's still to me, it's in a downtrend still. So it doesn't really matter if it didn't completely go down right now. It may be just trading sideways for a little bit, getting ready to go down. So I don't really know an exact date to when it is going to go down, but I do feel like this is going to continue downward. So definitely want you guys to pay attention to that, man. Up in the Dip Squad got Omar coming in with that $1.99 super chat from the Euros. Love it. Hopefully I got that right. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that super sticker. But yeah, man, it's that means that my things are working. Did you see it this time, Omar? Rewind on that. Like I said, guys, I've been playing around with OBS and a lot of the different settings and stuff, trying to get things situated as far as super chats, new subscribers, so I can pay attention to those and shout those out while they happen on the stream, and just different things so I can try to make the viewing pleasure a little bit better. You know what I mean? What's going on, Omar? How you feeling, man? What's going on? Oh, you saw it? Yeah, man. Was up playing with that for a little bit. It took a little bit of time, but you know, had a little bit of additional time on my hands. Trying to get the stream a little bit better, guys. What am I about to say? So yeah, so how are you guys feeling about Bitcoin at this moment, guys? Like I said, do you think this is the bottom? People keep saying this is the bottom. This is where it's going to bottom at it, and it's going to go back up. I don't know where the volume is coming from that they're speaking of, but I would love to see that happen. If it does happen, I'm more power to it. Definitely not hating on that at all, period. But I just don't see it happening like that. Yeah, ETH is doing on top of that. Looking for. I'm brain fart today, and my mouse is not working. This is probably the worst mouse pad I've ever owned in my life. Make this thicker line, make it yellow so it's a little more visible. Still following quite closely if you guys pay attention to this is Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Ethereum is the yellow line. I tried to make it as thick as possible so you guys are able to see it. This is Bitcoin, the actual candle chart behind it. So it dipped down around this, almost pretty much around the same exact time, and popped up around the same time also. So this is almost following this to a T. So I think as soon as we have a situation to where Bitcoin is going to go down, Ethereum is going to fall down with it. So that 750 to 500 range does not seem too far-fetched at that point. So, see, so yeah, like I said, this area right here is a run up. So yeah, then that will put I think that puts Bitcoin between like 10 and 12K maybe. Speculation off speculation though. It really depends on what's going on. Desperate Whale trying to is where the volume is coming from. Yeah, I don't know if they're desperate. They're making money right now. Like if you pay attention to the buy and sell orders, they're still making money. That they're still putting in buys and sells, and they're definitely making a significant amount depending on how much the chart is moving. Just because of the volatility of the market right now, you can really capitalize on things like that with the right amount of money. Put a stop loss in place. You know what I mean? Just doing all the right things so that you're safe within your investment and trying to, I guess, time it as best as possible. But yeah, there's definitely a lot of money still flowing through the market right now currently for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So check on these smaller market cap tokens here. See what's going on. Let me get my ugly self out the way. First one I got up right now, ApeCoin. All right, so I actually did not, let me move over just a little bit. All right, so pointing with my mouse, you guys can see where it was kind of trading sideways around this range. Then it got some volume, pushed up right here, got pushed back, tried to push up again, retraced again, and almost the same exact thing. So it retraced a couple times and tried to go back up and break through this level of support. Level of support resistance, and did not succeed until right here. It must have been a lot of volume to come in. I think there were several large buys that came in, but it definitely did get sold off pretty quick. So it broke that level of resistance for a brief second, and pretty much got sent right back down and is downtrending right now, which that's not exactly what the market is doing currently, but it does lag a little bit. I feel like between like Bitcoin and Ethereum and some of the smaller tokens, how they respond to the market. What's going on, Shane? So it takes a little time for it to kick in, but I don't think this is going to pump much more unless some news comes out. So I kind of been waiting and just looking at good opportunities to buy. Down here would have been an amazing opportunity. Even right here with this sell-off, you're still in profit at this point. But that's only if you believe in the investment. So if a friend of mine turned me on to a way of let me see, a way to better DEX tools chart. It reports faster, shows way more info. Okay. Well, what's going on? I'm definitely open to new things. Those aren't retail pumps. No, of course not. No. Nah, this big pump. Nah, that was a large increase. It went above 5. What was it, like 560? Like 570 almost? No, like 586 it says. So yeah, that definitely ran up a little bit. That definitely is not retail buys at all, period. Retail money does not shake the market like that at all. It moves it a little bit. It'd have to be a lot of retail money along with larger investor money also, you know what I mean? But what's going on, Stevie? What's up, Stevie? How you feeling? I just heard something. Sorry about that. Oh, that's Ape definitely closely watching that. Let me see how much volume. As you guys know, I check in with the V1 say Thomas just because this volume is getting out of hand. 35,000 currently right now. It was getting closer to honestly 100K beforehand, which is still ridiculous. There's still too much volume going through there. What was ApeCoin's volume at? I didn't even look at that. 192K, so they've had a little bit more volume moving through them. They normally have a high volume, but due to the market, it's been fluctuating a little bit. Look at the Hob special. You DM'd it to me? Okay, let me check. So this is the one you're talking about. Let's see, how do you pull up the indicators? I like how you had it on Grove already. I'm frame is as well. 1 minute. Bit of a run up it's been doing, especially with John saying. I saw an announcement saying that the news from Grove was going to be 10 times better than what he thought it was going to be. So they got $323,000 in volume right now, $1.1 million in liquidity, market cap of 19 million right now, 7,000 holders currently. Okay, so if you log in, it'll specifically show you your trades, liquidity, promote a token on here too. Free price bot. Not bad though. Doesn't look bad. I'll definitely go through and investigate it. Definitely check it out. Let me see. I thought I missed a couple things. Had to drive a few hours. Missed. Okay. What's going on, Arthur Larkin? What's going on? What's going on? Stevie takes his espresso with a boost morale. Boost your morale, eh? See. So one thing I like about staking on Brew Labs is that Grove is done with staking for 90 days, but you can you don't have to restake it. Yeah, you can just leave your money in there, and it turns to a flexible staking pool to a certain extent, because you can leave your money there and still collect, and you can literally keep compounding without it relocking. So you can keep compounding too without it relocking up, and keep earning from that. But if you add anything additional, it'll relock all of it. It reports 20 seconds faster than Dex tools. Okay, that's what's up. Jump on the competitors, I guess. Let me see. Omar, don't drink anything with caffeine. That's why you always grumpy. A man needs coffee at minimum in his life. I'm good. Okay, it's good. Good. Glad to hear that, man. Glad to hear that. Coffee, tea, soda, anything with caffeine not allowed in my house. My daughter don't even drink soda. Hey, man, that's not a bad way to be, man. Soda is definitely, it's not the most healthy thing in the world to consume, so I'm not mad about that. Right, with the same APR. I mean, it's going to be the same APR just because you're in the same exact pool. You're just not removing your token, so that's the cool part about it, too. So you're creating whatever pool you're in. So let's just say you go through a 6-month pool or 3 or 9 or however many months it is, and it goes through that with Brew Labs, and you just want to still keep collecting. But I mean, technically you still have your bag free. If it goes up, you want to take a little bit out for profit purposes or whatever, you can still take that out, but you can earn in between those times also. Smell of coffee makes me sick. That's crazy. Smell of coffee makes me want coffee. Yeah, I'm gonna keep compounding so it don't yeah, easiest way to handle that situation. Compound it, make that passive income. Speaking of you know what, I won't get into too much of passive income, but guys, if you guys are unaware, I just want to put you on game about one thing. I know the Bulls and Apes, I know you guys hear about it a lot, but let me explain. So tomorrow at 4 p.m. Central Time, guys, it is going to be a situation to where you will no longer be able to why is it sorted like this? You will no longer be able to buy a bull with tokens. So pretty much, if you want to go through the tokenomics currently right now, you have to have a bull that has tokens. If not, you have to wait for the tokens to generate. So if you don't want to wait for the tokens to generate, if you're interested in the Bulls and Apes project, then you're more than welcome to jump in. The floor is actually lower than a 0.5 or 0.54 or so that it has been lately. I do feel like there's a possibility that once people actually take the tokens and maybe even use some of the breeds of these Genesis bulls, the price will go down, but they don't stop generating tokens. So it's still a strategic measure that you can put in place to try to make even a bull who has the breeds used still kind of benefit you. You know what I mean? So you guys have until 4 p.m. Central Time tomorrow if you guys are interested in joining in that project and want to get an edge on the competition, or if you want to try to get on a journey to get that guide bull or use any part of the tokenomics. I'll be checking in tomorrow because I'll be streaming after that period of time and seeing exactly what the floor is on each object, because tomorrow we should be able to see what teams look like. We'll start to see a lot of different teams on OpenSea. Some of them will be getting burnt, so I'll try to see if I can get a picture of the majority of them. If they do get burnt out of existence, they won't be on OpenSea anymore. The orbs, the incubators, and just a lot of tokens will be getting used. So it'll be interesting to see what's going on. And I think there's a big event going on tomorrow for them also. So just for you guys to look out. I mean, just sitting there making me like $6 a day right now. Yeah, man. Passive income is real. It's real, and it's definitely a real thing. I'll be staking mine soon, Corey. Yeah, man, definitely get on that so you can take advantage of those percentages, because those percentages change as people add more to that pool. So you definitely want to be one of the first participants. That's really one of those first come, first serve type of situations. So you definitely want to get your stake on. Yeah, but let me see. Special already. Where do I want to go? Let's see what Saitama's doing right now. Currently, all right. So it looks like, hopefully I didn't just move my line. Looks like it retraced a bit. Yeah, so it retraced a little bit. Like I said, it may come down to this line right here, or maybe float above it a little bit and trade sideways for a bit until some type of news comes out. Just depends. See if these airdrops have moved at all, period. What's going on, Justin? What's up, man? How you feeling, my brother? That 95K? What is that, like a third, technically? Like a third of it? I finally got my airdrop. Hey, that's what's up. Glad to hear that, man. There's a lot of people that are starting to get it now. Saitama is going to 10x downward. Damn. See, you gotta definitely read Omar's comments before you put them up there. Another day in paradise, yeah. Yep. That's what it usually turns out to be, man. Another day in paradise, right? On the road again. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, buddy. Well, let me see what we get. Size that. Let's go on BNB side. Let's see how Tarp's doing really quick. Like I said, guys, this is gonna be a quick tap in. It's not gonna be too long. I streamed earlier, so I want to have the kids cooped up so much, even though they're up forever in the day. Let me see. The airdrop is the catalyst for it. I don't know, man. We'll see. I've chalked up my Saitama as a loss. I mean, I think some people have done that. Some people are still on the bandwagon. It just depends how people really feel about the project as of right now. So hopefully, you know what I mean? Hopefully something does shake with that, and something works out to where investors are able to recuperate a lot of their money. Maybe some momentum will come back into it, or some volume from out of somewhere, but it really depends. That would have to be a random or sporadic thing, because the market is not really looking like that's something that is looking to do right this second as far as recover. In my opinion, community should be on the first place. It doesn't look like that. Don't feel the same way. Yeah. I mean, they're handling things a little bit different. They're trying to take it on a business aspect. Maybe, I don't know. Like I said, I'm not on the Saitama team, so I would not know anything about that, to be honest. I just checked the chart a bit, check in on some info, really hoping that everybody gets their airdrops. So we were looking at BNB on Grove on that other chart. I believe this is what that was. We were looking at, yeah. So we looked at this one, checked it out. Let's see what Tarp's looking like. I'm riding with most of my investments. If it wasn't for Saitama, I wouldn't have met. Yeah, you wouldn't have met y'all. Yeah. So y'all can go jump off a cliff with that negative talk. Wait a minute, pause. Steve, y'all kick you in your shin. First of all, I'm not even talking negative. Pause. Second of all, I don't jump off cliffs, fella. Not my thing. Not my bag. It's not negative. It's just what did I, yeah. I mean, I feel you. I feel you. Everybody, I don't know. Everybody got their own opinion about that situation, so that's why I check the chart and I see what's going on, and I kind of, you know what I mean, kind of progress through all of the rest of the charts to see what the progress is of everything. So, like I said, I'm hoping that investors recuperate a lot of their money. That's my hopes of the situation. Just because as of right now, there are a lot of people that are down that invested around the top, the middle, you know what I mean, the bottom. And it's hit another bottom, you know what I mean? So I just want people to be able to get their money back. Guess I'll never be made which way I took profit. Yeah, I mean, definitely. See, that's a big part of it also. A lot of people are severely upset because they took no profits at all, period. And then they watched it go down to something that they really were uncomfortable with. So that's a lot of people's problems right there. Second, crypto is volatile. Normally not that damn volatile when you're investing into a business. So it is something that kind of had to be adjusted to. But it was a lot of things that had to happen within St. Thomas' journey. So definitely an interesting story. I heard somebody's kind of making a documentary out of it. So it'll be interesting to see how that works out. Harp seems to be trading along this level of support here, bounced off of it, had a little bit of volume. Looks like it's going to be coming back down to this range and trading around here for a little bit. %, who got for free? Oh my god! Taking profits is a hell yeah. Only won 150 billion. I bought 750 billion last year. That's what's up, man. Definitely what's up, man. A lot of people that took advantage of St. Thomas being down, like a lot around certain range, dollar cost average in. Some people just, like I said, were fed up and sold when they got their airdrop. So it just depends on the person, their risk tolerance, and how they really feel about the project itself at this point. Let's see, it's going on Ethereum. Looks to be holding up on both of them. It dipped down a bit. That's kind of what I was expecting it to do, kind of transition down, but I guess it was bought back up afterwards, you know what I mean, from people seeing what's going on. That's interesting. Definitely a lot of buying pressure within it to like flip it like that. How much? You're looking at 17K in volume right now, so not a whole lot of volume through this one right now. More of the volume is through BNB. I think that's where a lot of the original holders are currently right now. I sold all my Saitama 3 to 5 times over again and bought more from a giveaway I won. Yeah, I mean, you got to be able to flip, move, take. You know what I mean? What's going on, Alexa? What's going on? How you feeling? I know you meant 3 to 5 times. Man, what's going on? Like I said, it's not eating anything sitting in my wallet. Yeah, most definitely. I think it will pump a bit when Saitama Pro drops. Then I see it if it kicks off. I hope it pumps too. I don't know how much of a pump, but you said then I will see if I kick it out of the house. I like that part though. That's interesting. But you're waiting on some type of profits from that. I'm not mad at you looking for profits winning that. Hope everyone is fabulous. Yeah, of course. Definitely chilling. Not feeling bad at all, period. Kind of riding this market out as it is going to get a little bit worse. I feel like that's just my personal opinion. Every project has went up and went down since end of last year. Even coins up a little bit. Yeah, Yeah. I mean, if you look, let me see. Literally, if we pick up anything that we have looked at throughout the time of us just from last year, originally going through Saitama to if you look at what a lot of different projects. I don't even want to name a list of them, but there's like almost everything that was on Data Mass pretty much has the same like chart. You know what I mean? Like even some cryptos that weren't on Data Mass, like this one, it had a pump, it dumped off. You know what I mean? People sold, bought, hit this level, bounce back up because they actually have news. They have a catalyst right now. So how long this lasts depends on what type of news it is. If it's amazing news, it might run some more. You know what I mean? It may trade sideways, wait for the news. You know what I mean? Because it's supposed to be coming out on the 4th. And so I think it may trade sideways, may sell off a little bit, you know what I mean? Come down to around this range maybe, and then maybe trade sideways a little bit. And if the news is good, people like it, it might take off for a little bit, but I still feel like there's going to be a little bit of a sell-off afterwards, just because that's how crypto goes. So you have to prepare for those sell-offs after those significant gains like that. Depending on what's going on, it's just the whole sentiments of the crypto market has changed. So you definitely want to be able to take profits at the right time, and you still will have opportunities to dollar cost average in if there's more of a sell-off than you ended up expecting. You know what I mean? Instead of sitting there looking at the chart like, damn, it's really selling off right now. Damn, should I sell? And then you sell at the most horrible time. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, man, I'm telling you, a lot of projects, man, have those pumps, man. But it's a bearish market right now. So some did well until Bitcoin and Ethereum really did continue to drop down. Then after that point, it was just like, nah, we're not. You know what I mean? It wasn't holding up anymore after that. Don just did a pop into the Drove team chat for a minute. That's what's up. I feel like at some point maybe I'll get an AMA with them too. I don't know. You never know. You never know. I haven't really been inquiring about too many AMAs. I've been reaching out to Bolix and Revolution Token is trying to set something up. Other than that, I've been like flipping and flopping in between doing content over here, looking up things, researching stuff, mapping out different charts, and also going between the Flight Club also, because I feel like I can bring benefits of the Flight Club to my channel also, which would be kind of amazing, which you guys will see what I'm talking about. I could literally, you know what I mean, like just because we want to get our name out and to do different things, we might be able to do different giveaways on the channel, which will actually, you know what I mean, be able to be sponsored by either the Flight Club, maybe Bulls and Apes, depending on what the situation is, what I can work out. So there might be a way, so maybe we can get a couple bulls in 2 people's hands, or you know what I mean, maybe some teams or something like that, through giveaways going forward or whatever the situation is, to push our name forward, and a couple things that we will have going on as far as our projects soon. So we will be having some pretty solid projects going forward, and you guys will have an opportunity to partake. Hopefully you guys partake when the price is available for you guys to really enjoy that. If not, I understand, and just live through me as I do some videos, guys, and we'll do some giveaways along the way. Our project pretty much trash, so spread the money around. I mean, I wouldn't say trash, not all projects. There are a lot of projects like Bolix Token that are coming out right now. Well, not right now, but that are coming out soon. And that token is, I think, going to change a lot within the market. Bolix Token will definitely be a solid pick for people to make some good revenue off of, and not have to worry about, you know what I mean, have to worry about it tanking or not having a game plan if it does tank, because that's a horrible feeling to have, you know what I mean? To invest a significant amount of money because you believe in the goal and overall sentiments of what they're trying to do, and then it ends up taking, and they don't really have an answer for it. It's just like, you know what, I tried. It's like nobody wants to hear I tried after investing their hard-earned money into it, you know what I mean? See if you invest in the Grove, yeah, that's the only one that's not doing too bad right now. Definitely got some gains. All it's not out yet, so I wasn't talking about it. Yeah, no, I'm not insinuating that you're talking about it. I'm saying, like, it's several different tokens that you can definitely know for a fact that you can make some money off of coming out soon. Even Revolution token is one. People are actually looking at it like they they really see the use within their workplace app that they have, which will have them go through when they come on the channel. But there's multiple different uses to what they have going on currently, and that's what I kind of like about it, more or less. So that's as long as you have some type of real life use case to where it's going to generate revenue, to where you're actually going to be able to generate revenue for your holders, and it goes back into the actual company itself so that you can build and advance. I don't want you to keep doing the same things going forward. I want plans to advance as the token advances, as the funds advance. You know what I mean? You have a lot of people in the community that are able to do things. So you are a great YouTuber. Why? Or you're not covering Vote Inu to help your views make money? I don't know too much about Vote Inu. I'm not against Vote Inu. If you want to have team members, some reach out to me. They're more than welcome to come on for an AMA. I know they have been on several different AMAs. I'm definitely not against them. And I let the community pretty much judge what they want to invest in. I don't try to persuade anybody to invest into anything. If I think a project is unique or they have really unique use cases, I'll definitely continually do content on them and kind of show people reasons why I think these projects are amazing. But other than that, I don't really try to press things too hard, if that makes sense. But people are open to have whatever opinion they have, because I do dig deep with my open book kind of research that I do with my AMAs. I ask several different questions. I break things down to where the community is able to make their own decision about the project. And if it sounds fire, I'm pretty sure they'll invest. If it sounds like they are kind of on the fence about it, they'll do some more research, get back to it. Or if they don't want to invest, they won't invest. That's just how I usually do the AMA stuff. Oh yeah, you definitely, you already know what I was gonna say. But yeah, I like talking breakdown. Yeah, crypto it is. Breakdowns up. What's up? I'm disappointed in Shaman right now, bro. Don't get me started, big fella. Man, bro, it's gonna be I think there'll be there's gonna be one day eventually where I just like make a video and it's gonna explain like just everything, you know what I mean? Like everybody will understand like how things work on the back end of crypto. Some of it's really amazing. The processes are great, especially if people are working towards the same goal. Some of those processes on the back end are not as great, and people do not hold up what they're talking about or what they're saying they're gonna do, you know what I mean? So not really speaking to that one. It's just, man, it's a disappointing situation. Corey, stay away from Shaman, trust me. If you know, you know. I don't, like I said, man, I don't really get too deep into the situation. I don't currently cover them anymore. I don't have anything bad to say per se about them. I mean, nothing's been said about them for some time now. I think Tony came out of nowhere with some messages. I don't know if they're still doing things in their TG, but I think I'm still at it in there, so it looks to be pretty active. So what's going on, Big Perm? How you feeling, man? Even though y'all cheated. Yeah, y'all can say what's up to him, but just make sure you tell him he's a cheater. I have a Shaman shirt.
Bruh.
Everybody saying what's up to this cheating guy. What up, big loser, man, Cuff, man. Hey, look, man, first of all, I hope that box is for you to pack that bullshit up and to go ahead and send it back to the sender, sir. Thank you. Burn, I heard you guys were cheating in the Battle Royale, man. Yeah, they was cheating. They was cheating pretty hard, man. I had the right answer to a crutch. Because we was leaning a little bit, not clutch, crutch question, you know what I mean? 3-pointer. We got down by 1 point. It was a 3-pointer. We would have been up by 2. But Vern came out of nowhere and put some beard oil on his mic. So they couldn't hear my answer at first. So then they told me, oh, we don't want to risk it. I'm like, all right, man. You know what I mean? I tried to get the question in, but they didn't get that popping like that. It was unfortunate, guys. Yeah, hating. Throw that shirt out. Throw what shirt out? Oh yeah, I thought you were talking about that one. Yeah, man. Whole time, man. I used to. I remember back in the day, you can make shirts into a bunch of different things. and not just tank tops and different things. You can turn shirts to a lot of different things. I've actually turned a lot of different shirts into cleaning supplies. Works really good. Tough materials. Tough, don't forget you still owe me. What NFT are you? What was that from? Is that, hey man, if it's from them damn Keith NFTs, boy, it's like I told you, one day I'm gonna make a story and that story gonna come out and it's gonna have 1 million views on that joint. It's gonna be crazy. What videos for followers? Alexa wants to get more videos on the post, like, damn. Videos follow, that would get a lot and a little bit of views at the same time. Damn. Wipe your butt. Oh my god, man. Let's see what those two-headed apes do when they mint out, man. Hey, I don't know what the hell the two-headed apes, I forgot to look into that, man. But where you was at on the NFT chill with these two-headed apes, man? We could have looked it up and seen if it was an easy way to make some money there. Shaman equals shame. God damn. I gotta find that. There's another damn on the internet that y'all just reminded me when I'm gonna fill my other spaces up. There's a damn. You know what I mean? It sounds like that. This off of one of the bloggers things. I love it. My screen tweaking. I gotta pop. All right, my screen blowing in the wind, y'all. Almost forgot a guy for giving one of my shirts away, but thankfully he did because they aren't comfy at all. So they're bad material. No, that's disrespectful. You can't be giving out bad material shirts. It's got to be good material, bad logo. You know what I mean? Short change the logo, get a good t-shirt, because they'll wear it if it's comfortable. What's going on, John? Yeah, two-headed apes. Yeah. That's an NFT, I'm guessing. I keep tell people, man, they might as well hang up some other NFTs just for a second and go ahead and grab some of those bulls and apes before those tokens run out tomorrow at 4 p.m. Central Time. So keep saying the time so y'all can understand that. You said it's on the other side. I didn't even look and see how it looked. You must be talking about because of the comments. Yeah, I take that brief comment moment to, you know what I mean, get that nose wipe out the way. Because if you look at the comment long enough, go ahead and get a nose wipe in real quick. Put that comment down. You feel me? That's what that's about. Now, wish more projects would avoid the apes and get a little bit more creative. Yeah, that would be nice, but apes are a hot thing right now. So that's what everybody's going with right this second. And if you what was it? Is it zombie apes? Woke zombies? Man, if you go on I can't even say his name. If you go on Alpha Male stream, you're definitely gonna need to know something about woke zombies, because half of the questions are on woke zombies, guys. No, the TV? What you mean the TV? It look different on TV. Is that what you're telling me? Want to stand out in the crowd, you gotta be original. Yeah, most definitely. I definitely feel that. I'm just trying to see what type of teams pop up tomorrow and what the floor is going to be. That's what I'm trying to see. Also, let me see if I missed any other cryptos that I wanted to tap into, guys. I've been, like I said, man, not financial advice, but one of the things I have been trying to dollar cost average in on is Ape coin. As you guys can see, it's still trading below that line of support that I like it at. It did get pushed down, and that is I'm not gonna lie to you, if you didn't get to make a significant amount before they release some type of catalyst, this is actually a good thing that it got pushed down. It means that it might retrace a little bit more. You might be able to get some $3 and $2 ape coin before it goes up to like 20 to 30 bucks, which just think about if you pay $2 per token and it goes up to 30 bucks, that's a significant increase right there. You know, the TV, I gotta know what you're talking about. Man, I didn't want to set anyone up with a scam. I was at the solo. But yeah, that's why you use a burner wallet. That burner wallet that is not attached to anything. That's what you do for free mints and everything, man. There are some situations to where you might get something that seems like it's gonna be good. It might not be the best thing in the world, man. But if you use a burner wallet, you will protect yourself. By burner wallet, I mean separate MetaMask wallet. Don't use the separate section of your other wallet. You can if you're risky with it, but I have not seen anybody in compromise like that, but it is under the same seed phrase, so just want to be careful if possible. When I'm watching the live in the chair, it's on the right of it. Is it? But when on the that's weird because on the YouTube it's on the opposite side. That's crazy. Like if you do it on like the web browser. I don't know if there is a happy medium, and I didn't want to put it like up there because I've been like floating in outer space. I guess since I have the box, I'll adjust it tonight. I'll see how it looks tomorrow and try to bring it in from the top maybe. See you later, Alexa. Thanks for stopping in. I appreciate it. Omar, go with the flow and make a change. Yeah, most definitely. How is the Charity token looking? I haven't looked at Charity in a while. It's been a while since they came out with the staking pool, and I actually made a video on their actual their donation platform that they had come out. Was actually there's a lot of different donation places that you can actually donate on there with charities. Rather, I don't know some donation places, but there's a lot of different charities already on there that you can donate to. So let's see how it's bring it down. So as of right now, I'm not gonna lie, it's on what a little bit lower right now currently than what will be probably the strongest level of support that it has. So as of right now, it's dipping with the market, but it has been trading in a downward pattern for a little bit. It stopped, and then this is kind of where the market kicked in. Let me see if I can raise this up for you guys. So this is when it started the downtrend. The market started downtrend. Everybody was kind of selling off. It traded sideways for a little bit, and then the market really went down when Bitcoin and Ethereum went down, and it's been kind of downtrending again. Now right now it's trying to find a bottom so it can consolidate because it's already past its strongest level of support that it has currently right now. It has $607 of volume right now. That will also be a reason for it. You know what I mean? For the part not moving as much right now. It's not as much volume going through it right now currently. What are we looking at? Market cap is 108K and it has $53,000 in liquidity. So definitely enjoy the rest of your night, Alexa. That's taking an easy road, Vern. When I'm watching you on the TV, it's on the side of your face. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna fix it tonight because I would have to actually move the individual box and then move me and then resituate it. I'm also gonna try to figure out why it's hitting me with the fuzzy. Live chat covers your whole face. Yeah, that's crazy. He said Vern, your TV's from Wish. I don't think his TV is from Wish. But does yours? I know you watch sometimes on the TV, Omar. Is it doing the same thing? That's weird. Like I said, I could put it at the top, but I don't want to. I guess I can do a top right. But no, that's everything important right there as far as the charts. You got the volume, everything, the price, the amount of percentage that it's going up. So it's like it's not really too many options on that one. So I'll play with it and figure it out. I'm telling you, if I put it on the opposite side even on my screen, that's gonna cover my face. Like right now, it doesn't cover my face. If I do it on the opposite side, it will cover my face up. So yeah, that's all I was trying to avoid. But yeah, y'all. So let me know. Talk to me. What we got going right now, man? What did you guys want to look up? Anything else? I actually stayed on a little bit longer than I wanted to with the alpha stream also. But let me know if you guys want to know something, look something up. Like I said, Bulls and Ape project, guys, you have until 4 p.m. Central Time tomorrow to get any of those NFTs off of the floor. And if you do want to get any off of the floor, you will receive all 300 tokens. Well, actually 310 tokens will come with that bull. If you get it after 4 p.m., those tokens will not be with the bull, even if you're the person that didn't take the tokens from the bull. So pretty much everybody should claim their tokens before they put anything on OpenSea, because you'll lose your tokens at that point. But this is the current floor right now. 0.45 is actually some cool ones on the floor. Not too bad looking at all, period. So you definitely want to check these out, guys. If you guys are interested in the tokenomics, I feel like the process is going to be interesting and they're adding some cool twists to it. So we'll definitely check in with that. But yeah, let me know if you guys got any questions, concerns, anything you guys want to talk about. If not, I'm going to go ahead and cut that low fee and get out of here, guys. Get out your hair. Uh-oh. Did you see the notification pop up? I wish it was on the big screen. I don't know if you saw it in the little screen, Vern. I should have had it on the bigger one. It would have popped up. A millionaires pick certain coins to see. No coin will I'm pretty sure there's no coin. No coin will succeed unless you have these guys. Sheep Dope was built by millionaires and vote is picked by them. Also stop sleeping and watch what they are doing. Hey man, I'm gonna have to wake up then. I have to wake up. Appreciate the $10 super chat. But yeah, I'll look into vote. Like I said, if you have any ties to the development team, man, tell them to reach out. I definitely don't have any issues at all looking up vote and seeing what they have going on. I haven't seen, last time I saw the chart, it was down a little bit. A little bit of a downtrend after a large sell-off. That was the last time I looked at it. Yeah, so it's still it's almost like every other token is doing this right now. So this is definitely not a bad thing at all, period. Let me lift the chart up a little bit. So it had an initial pump, came down. There was a large sell-off. A lot of people got scared. Some of the larger bags, they ended up selling with them. It traded sideways for a little bit. Market kicks in again, goes down, but it's trading below its strongest level of support currently right now. So if they have catalyst something coming, that would be interesting. I know there was a big rumor about crypto.com that has not really panned out as of right now, but I would like to see some like I said, they got some something else going for them. I haven't heard too much. I got to catch a couple of Jake streams. I know Jake's real heavy on vote, and a couple other people I know are heavy on vote also. So like I said, not against vote at all, but definitely have them reach out. Yeah, Vern, I don't know why it's on the opposite side on your TV, man. Omar sent me a picture and it's the same way on his. I actually kind of like the way that end chat looked. That's kind of cool. I have to keep that. But yeah, I'll be working on it as I go, guys, and kind of adding cool stuff to it. Yeah, I'm not seeing too many questions. Like I said, I appreciate you guys for coming out. Definitely always appreciate it. Let me cut the loafy. And you guys enjoy the rest of your night, evening, wherever you guys are currently right now. I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, guys. I appreciate it. You guys keep cuffing that dip. Look for good levels of support. Also, remember that it is beyond crypto, guys. I'm out of here.